Now, how does friction causes problem to us? We will today learn through PowerPoint. Friction makes any kind of movement of a body difficult. If you apply a force in a left direction, friction will act in right direction. That means it always acts in the opposite to the direction of the applied force. More friction can make it difficult to slide a box across the floor. So, this is a problem created by the friction. Friction can make it difficult to ride a bicycle or walk through deep snows. Snows increases the friction. You can see here, these are snows, and it will be very difficult for you to ride a bicycle on snow or to walk through snow, just because snow offers a greater amount of friction. Also, it is difficult to ride a bicycle on sand. Friction is a reason of wastage of energy. Energy is wasted in overcoming the friction. More friction means that extra fuel must be used to power the vehicle. So, fuel or energy is being wasted because of the friction. You can see here, if this car moves in a plain road, it will use less fuel, and if it moves on a sand, it has to use more fuel just to overcome the friction. Friction wears out the parts of machineries. Due to friction, the parts are deformed. The small grinds of metals comes out, and friction is the reason for that. Moving parts machine can wear out. We can't use them for a long time because of friction. The sole of our shoes and tires of cars wear out. We can't use them for a long time because of friction. You can see that after using for a long time, your sole of the shoes gets wear out, and it is after some time it becomes out of use, and you have to use a new one. Similarly, your eraser and pencil eraser, also your pencil wears out due to friction. And you see that it becomes thinner and thinner after using for a long time, and you have to replace your eraser with a new one. Okay.